Hey everybody, Master North here. Wanted to make this video because we get asked all the time how to tie a traditional knot for Taekwondo. So I'll be showing you a couple of things and also some pointers to make sure it comes out right. Tip number one, don't ever wash this belt. Feel free to wash your uniform as much as you want. These will shrink. And they have to be stretched out pretty hard in order to get back to where they were originally. A couple of other things for you black belts on the right side, you should be able to read your name legibly in order for it to come out as a traditional knot. So from here, go ahead and find the middle portion, this bend right here. So everything should just be nice and even. This is going to go right along the waistline as you're going around. It should be snug. Okay? It shouldn't be uncomfortable, but this should be tight. I tell people it should be maybe bra tight or like a good tight hug. Whenever you're tying your belt, make sure you're facing away from the flags or away from the instructor. Traditional uniform is going to go left over right. Same thing with the belt here. So you're going to have left going over right. Keep the knot close to you. That way it becomes a little bit easier to manipulate, easier to tie. This one that's on top, so the one that was on the left side, is going to, while being straight, so don't let it twist up anywhere, including when you wrap around back, is going to go behind everything. So the key there is making sure it goes behind all of the belts, including where you initially had it. So as you tighten this, you're going to go sideways, but then a trick to make it come out looking nice, go straight up and down. It'll lay right on top. This one that is now on the bottom is going to also remain straight. Don't let it twist up. And then it goes right in this hole here that you're making, and it should look like two triangles crashing into each other. Another way to make it look nice, palms down, grab at the end, tighten real hard. All right. If you have any other questions, go ahead and let me know. But that is how you tie a traditional knot for Taekwondo.